Guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious potato pancake loaded with cheese and lamb stuffing inside. It's so nice and crispy outside and soft from inside. If you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I have 2 videos every week, that way you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Here I have 1 pound of potato that is boiled in a salt water and it's really soft. Now I'm going to just smash it down, and to this I'm going to add half a cup of rice flour. And to this I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and salt if you want to add, just go ahead and add, but just be mindful. Go ahead and mix them all together until it comes together. Now I'm going to just cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes to set it down. To this I'm going to add 1 egg yolk, large egg yolk, and then go ahead and mix this together. We want to mix this until it's all well incorporated, and then go ahead and cover the mixture and keep it aside. Here I have 1 pound of ground lamb. You can use beef, chicken, whatever you prefer. And I'm going to add this to a hot pan. I'm not using any oil. If you want, you can go ahead and add. Here I have a couple of ingredients: 2 garlic clove, 1 medium onion, and quarter cup of green onion. I'm finely chopped. I'm going to add that to the meat mixture. As you can see, the meat is releasing oil. That's the only oil that I'm going to use to cook this meat. Salt as needed, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano or dry thyme, any kind of herbs. Go ahead and mix it and cook it for 5 minutes. Now I'm adding half a cup of grated carrot. You can add any kind of vegetables you like. And I'm also adding a handful of parsley or cilantro as per your choice, and set it aside to cool down completely. Here I have half a cup of mozzarella cheese and also cool down meat mixture. I'm gonna take a nice big size ball, flatten it down. To this I'm adding cheese and the meat mixture as per the quantity you need it. Like, you can use big size ball, small size ball, is totally up to you. I'm going to add a couple of small and a couple of big of them. As you can see, it's nicely, the stuffing is inside. You want to make sure the meat and cheese is nicely stuffed inside, and so that it doesn't come out. So you want nice exterior out with just a potato. Now make a small well into the potato, add the cheese, just press it down gently, add the meat. I'm adding 2 tablespoons. It's up to you, as I said, less or more, totally up to you. Now I'm going to just make into a nice round shape and set it aside. Like, you can make the balls together and set it aside and start preparing, or you can, as you prepare, you can start flattening it up just the way I'm doing it. Just flatten it up and give nice shape by pressing the sides as well. And now I'm going to add this to preheated oil. Here I'm adding 1/4 cup of oil. Depending on how much oil you want to use, we are going to just shallow fry it. Your pan has to be medium-high heat, so that way the potatoes are crispy from outside. As one potato is cooked through, I'm going to add the second one. Just maintain the oil temperature, not too high, not too low, so that you get nice crispy from outside. Go ahead and continue to do this with the rest of the potatoes you have. Continue to make the pancake. Once that is done, you can serve them. I'm going to show you guys how it looks from inside. As you see, it's nice and cheesy, it's nice and gooey, and also you can see the carrots and the meat. It's like a pocket. Even though it's a potato, it looks like a bread pocket. It looks good, it smells good, and I'm sure it tastes delicious. I'm going to try some. And it's super crispy from outside, nice, and the meat is delicious from inside. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I would like to see you in my next video. Till then, take care guys, and please do not forget to subscribe below for upcoming videos. Till then, take care guys, bye bye.